Hello, my name is Ayon Shah. I am from TechnoIndia Institute of Technology. Today I will discuss about business resilience and its work solutions. I am sharing my thoughts about concept of running business smoothly from home during this pandemic situation with the help of technology. So, the concept is about the virtual data infrastructure. Now, what is the virtual data infrastructure? The virtual data infrastructure means to create a virtual memory over the primary memory. The working method of virtual data infrastructure is that through a single server, all the employees of a company can be joined. To create a virtual memory, first we have to build a site and then link that site with some domain name, and the domain name should be some unknown or rare so that it will be much harder for anyone to find out that domain name, and then connect that site with the highly secured hosting plan. The hosting plans which have unlimited storage and fully encrypted end to end. The website will run on a strong user ID and password based. Only the employees of a particular company can access that site who have those ID and password. On that website, employees can work on designing the prototype models, can do coding related works. Also, the website have the screen sharing option through which employees can directly show their prototypes to their clients. Now, what is the usefulness of virtual memory? The usefulness of virtual memory is to save companies' privacy and data from any type of losses. Yes, a employee can work everything on their personal computer, but the computer may be hacked anytime, as many of us still uses the pirated version of the Windows. Otherwise, employee's hard disk may be cracked or his computer can be malware affected. At that moment, all important company's data will have to lose. For this reason, we should use virtual memory instead of primary memory. And now, to avoid physical meetings and gatherings, there are many softwares available for desktop as well as for smartphones. Number one is WebEx Meeting. WebEx Meeting allows telephonic conversations across multiple colleagues, enabling desktop or laptop screen sharing, video conferencing, etc. Number two is Skype. Skype allows group chatting for discussions that doesn't require phone calls or being physically available at all. Also, tools like WebEx and Skype enables calling employees for meetings without incurring any telecom charges, rather using VoIP over internet. So, these are some of my thoughts about business resilience and work solutions. If companies try to maintain those points, I think that it will be very much easier for the companies to run their work smoothly even in this pandemic situation. Thank you.